What's up, guys? This is Pastor Kanai again. We're coming out with another video tonight. We're going to be building a banner with HTML and CSS. So I just want to tell you guys, if my videos are helping you out, please like the video, subscribe to the channel. We're growing slowly but surely. Yeah, we're going to be building this cool banner right here. Let me show you really quick. Right here, as you can tell, we're going to be using the header is going to be the Google font. It's called Pacifico, and we're going to be using some icons right here, as you can tell. So I got my HTML file ready to go. Let's go ahead and start. All right, okay, cool. So what do we need over here? So we gotta add the font awesome so we can get the icons. So we're going to be using the font awesome CDN.js right here. This slide we're going to be using this first one. Copy that URL, go back into your HTML file and then do the link and then get rid of this and then paste it right there. Should be good to go with that. Also, yeah, should be good to there. Cool. So we're going to be using our style is going to be just inside the HTML. That's good to go right there. Now, okay, let's go. Okay, let's just use the font, the Google font too. Google fonts right here. Let's click on that. Let's go. Let's type Pacifico. Okay, right here. So it's right here already. Select that. Cool. Let's copy this part right here. Let's get it ready and add it in our HTML file right here inside our style. Cool, good to go there. Let's start our body right now. Okay, so we're going to be using a div. We're going to give it a class name of container. Then we're going to be using a section. Let's give it a name to the section, a class name. It's going to be, but then it's section main. Okay, now let's do a h1 and let's give it a name. We're going to give it a class name of section header. What the? Okay, and we're going to put the most beautiful collection. Okay, cool. And then we're going to use a div here for the icons, and we're going to put beautiful collection or something. Let's put that name, beautiful collection, and that's where the icons are going to go. I'm going to put a class. It's going to be a fast car. The first one, let's just copy this part. And then we're going to put right here, car. What else do we have? Motorcycle. Okay. And then the last one is going to be a plane. It's only 3 of them. Let's save this and see what we got. Let's close this. Okay, the most beautiful collection, that's what we got. Okay, cool beans. All right, so now let's start targeting the elements right here. Okay, so we're going to start with, we're going to select all the elements right here. What do we use in star? So we're going to have a margin, going to be 0, do a padding, going to be 0, then we need box sizing, border box, then we have text decoration, going to be using none, then we're going to see the outline, I'm going to use a none, font family, Pacifico, because that's what we have, Pacifico sans serif, and then we have font weight, we want 400. Let's save that and see what we got. Cool, not too bad, that's where we want it. Okay, so now you got HTML. So right here we want to do the font size, we're going to use 60%. Okay, so next we gotta target the section main. We'll be using a width of 100%. Then we're going to be using height. We'll be using 100 view height. I'm going to do a background. Already had the background color picked. Then we have let's see what we have so far. Okay, that's what we wanted. Okay, text align, going to be center. So this is what we have with that. It's going to be aligned to the center. Alright, cool. So then we need to use a display flex. Then we have a flex direction, which is going to be column. Then we have align items. Going to be center. Then we have justify content. Okay, cool. It's not too bad. Okay, now let's target the section header, which is right there. Section header. Have font size. Just 12 rand. You got font weight. You got 900. Color. You want it white to be white. Save that. Okay. It's getting there. Not too bad. Text align. Center. Text transform. Capitalize. Spacing. You got 0.5 RAM. Then we have the text shadow. I'm going to use a 0.3 RAM. So I'm going to be using almost the same value for the other ones. Then we want color black. Okay, you see the color? Alright, so let's target the icons now. Beautiful collection. Okay, we have a font size. RAM. Then we have a color. We got F0E 100. Okay, and then we have padding of 20 pixels. 20 pixels. See, same exactly thing. Cool. Nice. So we got results. So that was it. Hopefully you guys liked the video, and please subscribe. Alright, have a good night. See you next time. Bye bye.